Hey boys and girls, Mr. Beard here with your class recap for both Monday and Tuesday, January 23rd and 24th. We started both days with SSR. After doing SSR on Monday, we took our poetry terms quiz. If you were absent, you need to immediately come to me when you get back and remind me you need to take your quiz, have a seat, and get at it. On Tuesday, we focused on the poetic form of haiku. Haiku is also called nature or seasonal haiku because it primarily focuses on nature or the seasons. There's two working definitions we're going to use in this class. Definition 1 of a haiku is it's an unrhymed Japanese verse consisting of 3 lines of 5, 7, and 5 syllables. So line 1, 5 syllables, line 2, 7, line 3, 5, or 17 syllables in all. The 5-7-5 rule was made up for school children to help them understand and learn this type of poetry. Definition 2 is it's made up of 3 lines of poetry, 17 syllables or less. An ideal haiku should be short, long, short in syllable length. So the first line can be a little shorter in syllables, second line longer, and then the third line shorter again. Some helpful hints. Haiku is generally not written in one long run-on sentence. It's usually written in 2 parts. If you have a fragment on the first or last line, then you can have the body of the haiku. Let's look at some examples. Winter sun. A cyclist pedals against the wind. So this is a seasonal haiku that is actually set in nature as well. So it's focusing on both forms, nature and season. Example 2. Salt waves caress and sand, tickling my toes and heart in their short-spun wake. So you see that nature theme. Pink cherry blossoms cast shimmering reflections on seas of Japan. If I had to give you one example of a haiku, this is the one. This is haiku in a nutshell. You've got 5-7-5. It is a Japanese form of poetry, and so you have this poem focusing on Japanese issues, like pink cherry blossoms, which is a Japanese plant. You have discussion of the seas, which the Japanese culture are very concerned with because they're surrounded on all sides by the ocean. So this is haiku in a nutshell. This is not. This is out of the ordinary. Warm soup in a bowl, letters of the alphabet hang on the teaspoon. This shows you your haiku does not have to be about nature, does not have to be about the seasons. Even though they're normally concerned with these issues, you can write about other things and be creative. The next thing we did was some practice. On the following slides, I'm going to show you some pictures. You then must choose 3 of the pictures to write a poem about. Here's your first picture. Lightning and thunder. If you were absent, go ahead, pause the video now, and write about one of these 3 pictures. I'll show them to you again. This is your third, second, and first image. So again, if you were absent, either pause this video now or go back and write your haiku on those images. As a reminder, a haiku is a poetic form concerned with nature and seasons consisting of 5 syllables, 7, then 5 syllables lines. That is what we covered in class today. Thank you for listening and have a great day.